baby bus! Let's go, Sheriff Labrador!
Yum Mia's plan for a surprise. Part 1.
Early bird catches the worm, E-I-E-I, oink. The second mouse will get the cheese, E-I-E-I, oink.
Early one morning, well before sunrise, Yum Mia the hog was busy cleaning his restaurant. Suddenly, a mysterious animal with a hat and a mask rushed in, startling Yum Mia to the point that he almost jumped up onto a table.
Oink! Who are you?
Shh! Keep your voice down!
The mysterious animal glanced around to ensure nobody else was there, and then he whispered to Yum Mia. As Yum Mia listened, he revealed a mysterious but broadened smile, and the long, thick scar on his face looked like a caterpillar wriggling.
Oink! I got it. So today's a big day. We're gonna work together on a secret plan to surprise Sheriff Labrador. Oink! You can count on me. I'll make Sheriff Labrador jump from floor to ceiling.
Good morning, Sheriff Labrador. Where is Officer Doberman?
Good morning. Dobie is taking the day off. I'm on my way to Yum Mia Bistro for breakfast.
As he was talking, Yum Mia and the mysterious animal heard Sheriff Labrador greeting an islander a short distance away. They were so scared that they jumped up.
Oh no, here he comes. You can't let him see you. Quick, hide.
The mysterious animal nervously skittered around in the restaurant like a spinning top. He hid in a closet first, but his feet were exposed because the door couldn't close.
Why, that's no good.
Then he hid behind the curtains. However, the curtains were too short to cover his big feet and short tail.
Oink, that won't work either.
Sheriff Labrador's footsteps drew nearer. The mysterious animal hurried under the table. Then Yum Mia pulled off the window curtains. He spread the curtains over the dining table like a tablecloth to try and completely cover the mysterious animal.
Mr. Yum Mia, good morning.